Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was watching the video on my the dry rot. Okay guys, for reference, here is the left one that you can see on the original one. It's pretty badly whipped and damaged, and there's that 45 cut I said I did. And then here's the one for the hinge side. There's the one for the hinge side. It's pretty bad as well. So, and then of course the brick mold is pretty bad on the bottom as well. And I noticed that the whole video didn't upload. So let me take you. What you can notice is that I gave it a coat of exterior white, so it looks pretty good. What you can notice is that the original, if I can put it here, the original is about 2 3/8, and then the piece that I got, which is about 2 1/8. So I had to make this filler. I used a piece of wood and then painted it. It looks actually okay. We'll see how long it lasts. But on this side you can really tell. I did a 45-degree cut, and then I glued and nailed it there. And of course, I used PVC for the outside. But you can tell on the inside, dimensionally, it's actually narrower than the original. There you go. The original is about 3/4, and the new piece is about, I don't know, just over a half. But it's actually dimensionally smaller. I didn't know that when I ordered it. I went back to the listing. I checked, and it was supposed to work. I mean, according to the listing, but it doesn't. You can also tell on the bottom that I put that tape on the bottom of it so that if water hits it, it's not going to wick up through the wood. So otherwise, I got it screwed down. When the door is closed and open like this, you can really tell. You can really tell the filler piece of wood that I put in here. But again, it's all 45 cut, mitered. I put some silicone, and then, like I said, I painted over it. And if you look with the coat of paint, yeah, it looks pretty good, I think, overall. There are some gaps, but otherwise the PVC should outlast the wood, and hopefully the paint won't buckle. The other parts I scraped a little bit and repainted. Hopefully that holds, but I did give it a nice job. But again, like I said, I noticed that the video didn't upload properly, so I wanted to give you the finished look of what it does look like after I got everything done. And like I said, like on this side, I actually cut it below the hinge, so I didn't want to have to miter that out. But otherwise, yeah, everything looks good. We'll see how long it lasts. And yeah, and then like I said, this is all, the threshold is also screwed down tightly, so now when I close the door, it actually locks because the threshold is down, I guess. But otherwise it seals nice. Look at the bottom, and I think it's going to be a good repair for the money. I wish the piece, like I said, the repair kit was actually the right size, but it's not. And according to the ad, it should have worked, but again, the listing, it doesn't work. But I think this is okay for now. We'll see how long it lasts. So again, thank you for watching. Sorry about the upload problem, and have a great day.